Hello, my name is Ayelet and this is a writing tutorial. In our everyday lives, we are constrained by obligations and habits that limit our thoughts as well as our actions. Yet when we sit down to write, we are invited to expand and roam our minds with complete freedom. So how do we do this leap? In this tutorial, I'll offer 3 tips how I do that. In principle, it's quite beneficial to be a logical human being. We behave ourselves in our work, with our family, and in our friendships. Most of us want to be decent. We restrain ourselves from expressing sometimes our true feelings and thoughts so as not to prick the harmony we have managed to create so carefully out of life's chaos. Yet when we come to our writing, there is a potential for liberation, for entering an entirely different kingdom, one in which we can imagine and write great upheavals of emotions in society. We can choose and talk about whatever we like. We can shed our decent identity and allow ourselves to write raw and wild. So how do we overcome these invisible boundaries and find our mind's freedom in our writing? Well, the first tool I use is creating an appropriate space. I have an area in the house that is quiet and solitary, with a desk, a laptop, a lamp, and some books. Before I begin writing, I light a big candle. This is my way of making a line in the sand that here ends reality and freedom begins. I leave outside the room the mobile phone, and I say a little prayer like God be will done, not mine. And then I begin by reading a few paragraphs from books of writers that have written about the writing process. That carries me through the gate into the writing world, to the space of infinite possibilities, and I begin. The second tool I use is actually an idea that I learned from my drama teacher back at the university, who said that in theater what matters is things with blood and tears. The audience is not interested in someone's depression unless it has some intensity of feeling to it. I understand this statement. It is seeking things with a dramatic edge to them, that one should transcend the humdrum, repetitive nature of thoughts, the tendency of our everyday lives to become a blurred flow of insignificant events. I'm called to seek and depict strong, powerful emotions and events. The third tool I use is allowing myself time to daydream. Yes, just lying on the couch and drifting wherever my mind wishes. Allow myself to wander without purpose. This demands that every day I take the time to do nothing, just be lazy. It is okay. Take a nap and dream. Write your dream down or look at the clouds drifting outside your window. Let yourself be empty. Yes, these 3 tools help me. Perhaps they would help you too. I hope you find them useful. You're welcome to comment below what tools you use to free your mind, and also you're welcome to subscribe to my channel.